Honestly, I really don't even know what that's for.
Now, say no.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
What up?
What's up?
Yeah, I was going. I tried to get in. I was gonna say like, don't be married to your shorts. They might want to retest the high first.
Hmm. Yeah.
Short, did you?
Yeah, I'm short on ES at 150. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm getting a test of my break even right now.
Oh,
But if we see a breakout above this, and then I'll close it. I'm not gonna let it hit my stop all the way up there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. What you looking for today?
oh yeah, I gotta mark out these levels first. I might miss. I might miss a move.
Let's see what they do here. But yeah, I freaking missed that, man. But yeah, yeah. Last night I had my order sitting right there at S4 from yesterday. I think at
Yeah,
like 74. I think it might have. I think where my order was, I think I might have had it at 74, 75, maybe, maybe. So it still probably would have missed me, but seeing this thing hold all night, that should have been a sign right there. Apparently, those two shorts opportunities on the Nasdaq last night that I talked about straight was fire. Like it literally rejected at the top of this range, and they rejected this morning at 525. But we don't know if we don't know what's going to happen here.
yeah. Fortunately, I'm late to the party. They bought off of pretty much VWAP on NQ.
Hmm.
Short changed it by like 2 ticks, but
Yeah, the reason why I kind of went short on the ES is because I saw that it rejected at 525 on the Nasdaq, so I shorted this on the ES because I saw that rejection. And this morning I was up about what 8 points this morning. If I had my regular strategy, I would have got filled. But I figured that well shit, this thing could actually see a dump. So I took on for the bigger strat. I think this is might be the 14-point strategy I got. I think. Yeah, I
yeah.
think it's like the 14 one. But I would have got hit at my 8-point strategy. So I mean, I'm not gonna cry about it or nothing, but um, but that was the reason why I went short on the ES because I saw it go short on the Nasdaq. But it's looking like yeah, this thing can probably we'll see. We'll see what happens. They need to find support above 525 and hold 525 or any continuation higher. If they don't find support here, then we could see this thing drop.
Only thing that I'll say is that hold on, let me finish checking these time frames out. It's looking on all these smaller time frames. It's looking like an uptrend.
Mm,
Um, but like you said, we're at like double top potential. Um, finish checking. I'm looking at the hourly. Yeah, I think they could still NQ, well, at least not for NQ, they could try to test those highs again on the hourly.
I'm looking at it now too. And Gameway says he wants his apology. Hey, the session ain't over yet. I told Gameway because
Hey, what's the
the session ain't over yet. You can't get
what's the apology?
a premature apology.
what's, what's the apology?
Because I was looking at the charts last night, and I had my order sitting all the way down here at 360 to go long. He talking about I'm spoofing the
Yeah.
market. I'm like, yeah. I was like, dude, you don't think it can come down here? He was like, no, it's going higher. And I was like, all right. Well, I was looking at 525 to be that level that if the bulls couldn't get above, then that's probably what we see. So just in case non-farm payroll had a negative reaction, I wanted to have my order down here just in case.
Yeah.
And he was like, nah, we ain't going down there. And I was like, well, shit. Hey, if we go down there, I want my my written apology. I want it. The session ain't over yet. But anyway, it says I said non-farm payroll. I could have sworn I said today, meaning the entire session, but if you heard non-farm, or if you assume that I meant just non-farm payroll, I was well not hoping, but in anticipation of non-farm payroll being negative, I had my orders down there. But I still think that we go down there today, or at least see a drop. Now, if they keep going higher, I mean, I'll give you your apology. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and not give you it, but
Height times New Roman 12.5.
I don't want no filler
I
words. I
need your
want
work.
5,000 words.
I need your works cited MLA format.
But we'll see. You said it's not clear on the ES. Hey, good morning, Alfred. Good morning. Well, I tried the short on the ES. I tried.
Yeah, I feel like I'm missing out on the opportunity here, but so I'll just wait.
I kind of hate that I mean, even if, because I think I had it at 74, 75, if I'm not mistaken. Let me actually look at my let me look at it real quick. Because I think I might have had it at 74. It would have missed me anyway.
So what was the pre-market high?
Mm. Yeah, it would have missed me by a point. Like, I don't know why the ES is so good at that shit. Like, I really don't know. It's really good at missing me by a point because I had mines at 74.50. This is where I had my order at on the ES, and obviously it literally missed me by like a point. So, mm. Says watch SPY. Let me pull up SPY right now. Get on that glorious minute chart.
Was it 495?
Is
Well,
610
I
is where the
guess if
big
you
numbers are
include
at.
it on farm,
610 is what a big number's at. So would that suggest that price could possibly get to 610 on SPY and dump? Or is that where people are looking to take their profits and sell into it? How would you interpret that?
$2,000 tick on the minis. Looks so different. Whatever.
Says above that level, market makers in pain. Yo, we was talking about the other day where you was like the market maker was in pain, and I was like, dude, they need to fire that damn market maker. Like, why the hell is the market maker in pain? Like, yo, they need to fire him or her or it, and never allow them to be a market maker ever again, ever again. Like, I think it's interesting to see situations where the market maker is being overwhelmed by the market itself, which is interesting to say the least. No, Mohammed. I'm talking about the other day. It may have been Tuesday. It may have been Monday or Tuesday when you said that. That's what I was referring to. That day. I think it might have been Tuesday, that day where we had that super run up, whatever day where we had that just a lot of aggressive buying, and there was no pullbacks or anything. I think it was that day that you said it.
Here they go again. NQ going up. ES got a red candle.
I'm gonna close it. Like, if this gets to like 10, I'll probably like close this honestly on the ES, and just probably because what I'm looking for is for it to not really go past 04. Really, I'm not looking for it to go past that. You say I'm long or short? I'm short. I'm short the ES right now. I'm short. I'm short. I think I might have got overzealous with this one. I think I may have gotten overzealous. I used my bigger strategy on the ES. I would have had my target hit with this one, but I went for the bigger target because of Nasdaq rejecting at 525, and so I went short on the ES as well. So I might have shot myself in the foot here if they find support above this level. And I don't plan on scaling in or anything either.
Missed this move. Gah. Fair.
Not fair.
Fair. It's not fair. Now I just gotta watch it go without me. Yo, bring it back, please. And ES is doing nothing. Yo, compared to NQ, that's crazy.
Probably like 405, 406. I'll get out of this.
No.
No, Mohammed.
Sorry, I was late.
No, Mohammed, that was earlier before the stream started. That was earlier. I didn't just get into this short. I didn't get into this short. I got into this short at 742. I've been in this since 742. And like I said, I would have got my target hit. All right, man. I guess I'm just going to stick with the 8-point strategy, man, because obviously All right, man. I'll just stick with the 8-point strategy, I guess. Whatever. Mm. Yeah, I really want to see what it does here. If they run the stops, then I'll get out of this early. I'll get out of it early. Mm. Man, it just sucks that I was in that damn move, man. That just sucks. All right. Damn. All right, well, they ran the stops. They ran them all right. Mm. Mm.
This chart is crazy.
Mm. If they stop right here, I'll scale into it. But if it stops me out, then no. Okay.
Another resistance level coming up, R5 for me. Hopefully R5 holds.
Shit, hopefully this
And they
level right here
respect
holds.
it.
Oh shit. Damn it. Oh yeah, because I got a buy limit down here.
Front run 600.
Is Nasdaq at 600 right now?
Do it. Do it. It's close. Got to nine. Well, on the micros, got to 96, three
Mm.
quarters. Front run it.
Yeah, I probably would have to
It
do
was a
that.
pain candle down. 7.
I would probably have to do that. I would take break even if it gave it to me. Maybe. I guess I would put my stop underneath break even if it gave it to me. Mm. Of course it won't though. For whatever reason, the market just loves to put my break evens right at areas where it could potentially bounce. For whatever reason. Do that naturally. Mm. Okay. Of course. Of course. Of course. Okay.
All right, and Q600. They need to go. They need to drop 590. What did ES get
Mhm.
to 110? Yep.
What the fuck? Honestly, at this point, if she does it, at this point,
Time is it? Okay, we still got. Damn, that algo might.
uh,
We need to drop before the algo. Come on. that, that thing might push this. It is, man. I think I'm like revenging that I missed the long opportunity.
oh, are you short too?
Yeah.
Uh,
570. 570. Oh man, NQ going dumb right now.
that's absolutely fucking crazy. That's crazy that I missed that. That's
I
crazy.
should have been long down there.
That's crazy. I should have missed that shit, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Mm.
Up.
On 614, 615, huh? 615, huh?
Short change gain weights target. He probably got 615, 620.
Mm.
It's all love, gain weight.
Mm.
Get your target just as long as it's not at like 700 or nothing right now. Let me come down and hit mine first. 550, 595. Oh man, the bull's gonna be regarded today, huh?
We'll see. Hopefully not, because I'm gonna have to owe gain weight an apology if they do. I'm gonna have to owe them an apology. 5 minutes into the
Gain
algo,
weight.
man.
I'll take 20K 900. That would be a big come up right now.
Dude, this
You
shit
probably
better
meant
not do that,
21
man.
900.
This shit better not do that, man.
So we might get 595 at most.
Hmm. Well,
Uh,
we'll see. Okay, I'll wait until the algo. If we get a pullback to the 50 EMA, I guess I'll go long. I guess
I guess.
because according to this potential measured move, we can possibly see 615. Excuse me. We can possibly see 114, 115 before we see a pullback on the ES. We could potentially see that. Let's see.
Know that. Can't hold that mess. Time is it? Okay, we still got a couple minutes.
Yeah, we could possibly see a move back down to the 50 EMA, possibly. Maybe. Depending on how this algo wants to act.
Don't use my break even as support. As Alfred likes to say, the trampoline.
Mm-hmm. And I agree with you, Ivan. 88 definitely has to hold. We got a breakout. If they don't buy the retest here, if we see a break, I'm shorting 688. If we see a break and a retest, I'm shorting that for sure. Well, depending
Oh,
on,
thank you.
dude, if this thing falls,
Let this be the real short, the real first wave, please. I know I effed up. I know I should have been long. It's Friday. Know how they get on Fridays. All right, let's check this. Dang, look at that.
well, okay. So if we're gonna trust the EMAs, if we're gonna trust the EMAs here, just potentially look out for it could come back down to 575 or somewhere around that area potentially. But 525 is definitely going to have to hold on the Nasdaq. But if you do have the 200, you do have VWAP hovering around this little area, hovering around that breaker structure right there. So potentially this is a good area to go long on the Nasdaq. To go where, I don't know. We'll see what happens first. I'll probably go short at like, I want to see how they react at this measured move potentially at 15, 16. I want to see how they react here. I know there's orders sitting at 620 on ES, but I don't know. I don't know if it gets that high. Not after a move all the way down here from 75. But I mean, I guess it possibly could, maybe. I don't know. You got a bunch of orders sitting at 611. Got orders at 615. Got orders at 120. 118 will probably be it.
I'll just take profit. Oh, we got news too? Ivan, no! What news? Damn it.
We got like the consumer sentiment or something like that. Consumer sentiment, and I think
Oh,
the
maybe
inflation expectation, if I'm not mistaken.
I might get at least my first TP hit then. But you know, they like to be bearish first, and then they.
Run it
Let's
up,
hope
run
that's
it
the
up.
case. Let's hope that's the case. No.
Ah, shit. Did I do it already? Was that it? Was that it?
No.
Dude, I think that was it. Shit. That was it. I think that was it. Damn it, I think that was it.
621.
That was it.
621.
Mm,
2.974. What does it all mean?
wow. Mm. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
No, you're supposed to be bearish first.
Is it supposed to be like a distraction or something? Mm.
Opposite right now, are they? Yep.
Damn it. Why can't this thing just stays on top?
Deluxe. Beat them up. 592.
Seriously?
Squabble up. Squabble up. Squabble up.
Yeah, I think that's probably works a little bit better right there.
Dump. Rocket it. You doing that thing again. Not trying to follow ES.
Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. Okay, we'll see. I see that little breaker structure right there. Yeah, we'll see. I'll try for a long at the 50 EMA to retest this high, which I mean I should get my target hit before that. So I mean I'll go for it. I'll try it. I'll try it. I feel as soon as I go freaking long though, it's like fine. I'll trust it. Fine. Fine. Hmm. All right.
Just take your profits, guys. Then we can get back long together after you hit all my targets. Let's get back long at 500, please.
Mm, yeah, I'll probably go long right here. Get my order ready. Oh yeah, I gotta get
They
the right. Oh
probably,
yeah, I'm in the right one.
be honest, they probably only take it to my break even, if that. See some aggressive selling come in. Do I get access to more contracts? Oh, I do.
Yeah, but that's a trap though. That's a
That's
trap though.
it's a trap.
Yeah, on the 50Ks. Yeah, it's a trap, bro. Remember, we gotta stay
How
consistent. So,
many? How many do they give you
so right
when you
now,
hit
if
the
you're in
1,000?
micros, you got 20. If you're over 1,000, but then they take it away from you once you dip back below 1,000. So just be mindful of that.
Okay, I saw at the end of the day.
Hmm. So you got it until, I mean, let's just say that you keep it consistent, or not consistent. You keep it over 1,000. You have access to those
Come in
contracts.
here.
But man, okay, all right. Damn,
That wasn't enough profit taken. That wasn't enough.
and my order is exactly where I kind of want to get. Damn, that's where I want to get out at. Mm,
Y'all gotta go sub 590. I know I see all the orders there. 93.
It says 609 increase the numbers. You talking about to go short, Mohammed? To go short? You know, Ivan, I hope so, man. Dude, I'm tired of trading like this, man. I'm tired of this shit. Like, this thing just keeps going up. Like, can we get a pullback, please? A healthy one? Shit. I would just feel so much better. But the market's the market, whatever. Whatever. The market's always right. Hopefully that's the damn case, man. Our Bears got Cubs we got Cubs to feed too. But Mohammed, you said that they increased it to go short. Yeah, gain weight. We hate we hate the way that y'all buy. The way y'all just keep buying as it goes up without a pullback. I hate the way that I got to buy high and I hate when y'all hit
the way you I know where you going with that.
I'm gonna think of something cool and catchy. I hate the way y'all press that buy button as the market keeps going up without no pullback. I hate the way that y'all so regarded. That's what all the bears are saying. I hate the way that y'all walk, the way that y'all talk, the way that y'all dress, being bulls. We hate y'all. We hate y'all.
Hate the way that y'all buy, the way that y'all dress, the way that y'all are euphoric. Something new. I need some Sade on my side. She'll take us there. She'll take us there. King of Sorrow.
Well, we'll see here. We'll see. We will see. I got my stop where I kind of want it. I got to make sure that I don't have no, that limit order is closed. I mean, I think that we can possibly come back down here to VWAP and the 200 EMA to find more buyers. I am willing to scale in if need be, but man, I hate buying this high, man. Especially with the ES. Especially with the ES. And then Mohammed said that they're adding to their shorts at 609 on SPY. Because yeah, I'm looking at SPY right now. I mean, my heart is telling me not to short this again, but I gotta listen to the charts on this one, I guess. The EMAs are sloping up to the upside. They're spread apart. So even if this thing does come down, it's gonna get bought right back up. 614 on Nasdaq. 616. It's finding support at 605. This thing can go higher. Yeah, the Nasdaq looks like it's about to go higher, bro. I don't know if you're still short.
We don't want to hear your bullish thesis right now. No. All right, reject the high. Reject it.
I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. I want to short. I want to see red. All right. Gain weight. I'm going to give it to you. You are right. The market is still going up. I apologize. Shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, I hate y'all bulls. I hate the way that y'all walk, the way that y'all talk. I hate the way that y'all even dress. I hate y'all. Not letting this thing drop the way it's supposed to. But I am keeping my eyes here at 13 though, because this thing can definitely try to sweep liquidity above this level and then try to drop. Could be trying to drop now. Well, right now this is a strong low right here. This is a strong low. So I don't want to see price really go underneath there.
Damn, what are y'all doing? Stop buying.
Yeah, bro. When those EMAs are sloped up like that, man, every drop is gonna get bought, man. You gotta wait till the EMAs flatten out to short nowadays.
Dang. Y'all got it. Y'all ate enough. They being greedy right now. They're just being greedy.
Yep.
This is pure greed. Like, dang, pull back. Pull back. Check the one. Oh,
Yeah,
I'm gonna get my
Alfred, right now I am long, but secretly I hope the short works. I'm being forced to go long right now.
Demand all at my break even. Don't let me down on here. You can do it. I'll take break even. I promise you I'll take break even. They don't, oh my gosh, they don't want to pull back for nothing.
Yeah, I think so I mean, oh shit. Oh man. They got orders sitting at 635, bro.
I'm hoping that they just they don't touch it. Why are they going for it? No. Just pull back. Dude, I'll take 600. Drop this thing 20 points. They established demand all right here. Oh my gosh. I mean, I understand you want to go up. I get it. It's Friday. Buy, buy, buy. Like Alfred said, but just give me a pullback. Just have to treat me this way, huh, NQ?
I'm looking for a pullback. All right. So next week, man. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out next week, man. I'm gonna try this out. I'm definitely gonna start utilizing. I'm gonna start utilizing these pivot points, these EMAs, and these because honestly, when I look at it, I kind of do ignore it. Like honestly, most of the stuff is just basically just for the stream, like the indicators and stuff like that. But I think I should start using it because as I was looking back at the charts this week, yo, these, especially that trend indicator, it was not lying, dude. It was not lying at all. If I just went long at these areas where the trend indicator told me to go long, I would have been catching bottoms all week. Look at that. Like this thing's been catching the bottom and telling you to go in the right direction this entire week. So I'm gonna test this out next week, man. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna test it out. If anything, I like to fight these indicators.
Get so lucky to get, which I don't think I am. Demand all in there. Q, you can't do it. This is where the gaslighting starts. You can't do it. Can't drop down here back to 550. You can't.
No, you're doing it wrong. It's like, oh man, there's no way the Nasdaq's gonna drop. I'm going full port. I got my stop at 6. Where'd your stop at? Where you got your stop at?
Stop is my drawdown. That's crazy.
I got my stop at 595. Full port. If I get this, I'll be a millionaire. I'll never have to trade the Nasdaq ever again. There's no way she'll ever go down there to get my stop. That's how I get a gaslighter.
Tapped it. Y'all tapped it. Now drop it. Y'all tapped it. This is tilt and micros. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it'll get you in micros because I think micros can be potentially more dangerous than the minis because you keep telling yourself, I'm in micros, I can withstand the drawdown. If I can withstand the drawdown in minis, I can withstand it in micros, and it can get dangerous.
I'm the sword is to my neck right now.
Really? Actually, let me pull you up.
The sword is to my neck. Oh gosh, they will not sell. Oh shoot, yeah, this is just I'm just mad I missed the long. I just should have bought high. Yep, I'm done. Done. What happened to the oh, they don't hit you with the
You might still got, hold on, are you done? Are you sure?
believe I am. They don't hit you with the automatic close on this?
No, you're probably still good. I mean, if you're still in it, that means you're good. But unfortunately, if you're down too deep, remember the consistency rule on this shit. It's like, honestly, if if you don't manage your losses, it gets to the point to where you might as well just buy another account because it's like a low key blowing the account, but technically it's not. You low key blew it if you let your your losses get too big because it adds a couple of days, and you shouldn't be able to blow it. You should be able to still hit the $1,200 daily loss limit.
I've been way above that, and it still got me in this.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
Really?
Okay, guys. Are y'all yeah, really. Y'all gonna take some profit?
Yeah,
No.
Alfred, that's exactly
Keep
right,
pumping.
dude. Lap City. Yeah, I mean, micros do kind of give you hope, dude. Like, yeah, it does. It does. It does. Clap City. Clap. Yeah, it does give you hope. But with micros, you do have a lot more room for error. You just have to respect your stop. I mean, you gotta respect it. You can't move it. You have to accept what happens because if you don't, especially on these starter accounts, you basically low key blow it, like I said, and what Alfred said as well. Like that's why I'm gonna take a break on the other account because one day set me back 3 days, and I ain't gonna lie, that yeah. Yeah. But if I respected my style, I mean, well, I can't be mad at myself because I was given plenty of opportunity to be profitable. it just didn't hit my target. It missed my target by like 2 points or something. So it's not like it didn't give me an opportunity to be profitable or nothing. I just thought that it was going to hit my target, and I held on to it too long. So it's my fault. Mm.
Nobody wants to take profit, huh? Nobody wants to pull this thing back, drop it back down to 600. No, nobody at all, huh? Just gonna sit here and clap me up, huh? Take me to Clap City.
Oh,
Just like that. Snowfall right here. It's that snowfall episode right here.
Where my money? Where my money? Where my money?
Thank you. Thank you. Where my money?
Where my money?
You got it. You got it, bro.
Nah, dude. No. Dude. Well, I mean, I'd rather die than to have to go through that. But dude, if he already did that shit, no, fuck that. You ain't getting that money. Shit, you might as well finish. God damn it, finish. Cause you ain't getting it after all that.
That's crazy. Yeah, you might as well kill me. Cause I ain't saying nothing.
Like, motherfucker. Then you gonna do that and get what you want? Nah, fuck that. Cause you can't eat, dude. Like after that, the worst thing he could do is kill. Like, and then you better off after that. It wasn't the fact that dude, it wasn't sexual. It was dominance. Another man dominated you, and as a man, dude, you can't look in the mirror at yourself after that. After getting dominated against your will like that. Hell no. No, the next thing is death. That's worse than death because you got to live through it every day. Nah, that's worse. Might as well, nah.
Might as well finish me off.
Nah.
I ain't telling you where the money at.
You ain't getting that shit, motherfucker.
Then he said, "It's my money now. Where my money?" Man, I ain't had nothing to do with that money. Where my money at?
Money.
Yo money.
Hold on, you got the hold on. Which account did you get? You got the starter plus?
Oh man, it's the starter. I don't know why they didn't knock me out of the trade.
Hold on, did you get this one for did you get this on the Black Friday deal or this like the regular starter? Because if you got the starter plus, there's no drawdown. Kind of like what Ivan said, there's no drawdown.
Regular starter, man. I don't know why I don't know.
You sure? Well, I mean, if they didn't hit you with a daily loss limit, then I would contact support and be like, "Yo, this shit didn't it didn't knock me out."
Like, hey, y'all need to protect me from myself. Like, hey, what are y'all doing? Don't bounce at that. Don't bounce at it. You gotta flush through it. Remember my Apex micros? I had like 160.
Oh shit. Actually, let me trade that. I mean, I'm sitting there not trading it. Let me trade that.
Oh yeah. I got my email today.
Oh, did you?
Bounce it here. Yeah, I did.
Unfortunately, bro. Okay,
Yeah.
let me see.
That was the 500 point day? And that was long, huh? Of course. Fine.
I mean, this platform just What is this like Trading View or something? 'Cause I was like, this kind of reminds me of Trading View. It has all these indicators on it and stuff.
That's all they could take it down to.
Dang, they really trying to sell this damn this $970 package.
$970 is crazy.
Hell yeah, it is, dude. Like, they're trying to sell it, dude. They said all the indicators.
What?
Yeah, like all the indicators. If you want to add indicators to this thing, it's $970. Make sure there's not no sensitive information before I put it on stream. All right, yeah. So this is what they got. I was trying to buy in, and as I try to add indicators to this thing, they're saying that
What the heck is that?
yeah, they want $970 to upgrade your plan to access 10 indicators per chart. Just
I'm
imagine
about to look
spending
it up.
$1,000 on technology like this. Mm. Like, dude, it's yeah. Mm. Kind of like what I said last night, gain weight. You beat the little brother up, the big brother comes up and beats your ass. The big brother comes and beats your ass. You messing with my little brother? Shit, don't let price come to the OGs. The OGs down here. The price beats up the big brother, and the OGs usually come in and save the day. Mm. Heavy hitters, VWAP and the 200 EMA. All right, so I mean, the one thing I don't want to see here is a strong closing red candle. I mean, I don't think I will see it, but oh crap. We don't want to see a big red candle like that closing underneath the 50 EMA because that next candle will probably do that for sure. But I do expect for the bulls to probably buy it here off the 200 and the VWAP. But I do expect for price to complete this measure move though, right here. I do expect for it to make that measure move. I think that's probably where the market is trying to get to. So I think if as soon as we touch this area up here, it's going to probably drop all the way back down here. Yeah, because they dropped right there too. That shit dropped right there. All right, so I mean, it does look like this could potentially be I mean, if price does get down here, this does potentially look like they could try to trap underneath R4, potentially. So I am prepared for a scaling right here to go long if we get to that, if we get there. Because that would be the bulls coming back and buying the retest here. We got the breaker structure out of this range. We got the breaker structure out of this range. If we do see a pullback, I do expect for there to be passive buy orders to be sitting in this area right here to buy it up, to buy the retest. And we have 200 EMA and VWAP support right here as well. So
This is 101, what you never do. So I'm in that mode, so please. I already know this is bad. I already know. Crash Kari, where are you?
Send
We
out the
need
signal.
you. Where's send out the signal? The Crash Kari signal. Where are you? We need you.
Crash Car was nowhere to be found when we needed him the most. They probably locked him up. He's probably in a dungeon right now, saying various things that would knock the market down.
That nobody can hear.
Deepest, darkest dungeon. Inflation is too high. We're going into a depression. He's shouting these things, and none of the market participants can hear it. This is Powell's
That's
going
real
crazy.
Powell doesn't know what he's doing. Inflation's way too high.
He's a big duty head.
Big duty head. 610 point of control. 400. Oh, that would be nice. 60. 65. Wait. 65. Come on, ES, pull back so NQ can join you. Hopefully. Hopefully y'all don't freaking sit here and do the opposites. Don't y'all want to buy back at better prices?
No, we're regarded.
Don't you want cheaper prices?
No, we're regarded.
Like, dang, buy at 580, 590. Go crazy over there. Let me exit my position in profit.
No, we're regarded.
No.
We're gonna buy.
Gosh. If they do break it, they probably are gonna buy it right back up right there.
Yeah, actually, let me look at the Nasdaq real quick, man. Let me look at it. Well, bro, I mean, they just need to break 17, bro, and you can probably get out at 60. You would have to get out at 605. You would have to get out at 605, man. Cause as long as they hold the 50, if you see a strong green candle, bro, you're gonna have to bite the bullet on that one, bro. Cause fighting against that 50 EMA is kind of an unwinnable battle sometimes.
Let's check the big boy chart. Big boy. Oh my gosh. That's no help at all. Yeah, no help at all.
Well, I mean, that is a bear. Well, it's still a bullish hourly candle, but it's still, even though it's red, it's still bullish. That would be considered bullish. A bullish hourly. And well, bro, okay. You do have some hope. You do have hope. They may want to fill that gap at 60, or where that's at. They might want to come back and fill that gap at 601. They may want to come and fill that gap, bro. Yeah.
Got a gap.
Yeah, on the hourly chart, we got a gap. They might want to come back and fill that. So there is hope for a pullback, not a reversal, obviously, but a pullback. Oh, my bad. I'm looking at the ES chart. My bad. Wrong chart. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that shit ain't gonna do that. It'll probably, yeah, it's not gonna do that.
Yeah, that shit ain't gonna do that. Dang, why y'all so retarded?
Yeah, that shit is not
Ah,
gonna
don't
do
tell
well.
me y'all want 50. No, in cute.
Mm.
I'd hoped I couldn't freaking break 15, 17.
So what I'm seeing on the ES is that they're gonna probably try to go for that high at I think because there's a measured move at 16. There's a measured move at 16. So I think that's where the ES is trying to go. I'm actually gonna take my profits there and possibly flip short for that turnaround trade. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it plays out. But I think they want to at least get 16 on the ES for a measured move.
Ethereum is up. That was 20 minutes ago. Uh, uh-uh. That was light demand, and they still bought it off that. Bought it off that. Now, if we go to my break even, that's like real demand down there. Y'all don't want cheaper prices? 619 is cheap to you? 617 is cheap to you? Real demand down there. You have to break a structure, the breakout right there. Then they tested it. Yeah. So I'll be lucky to get break even plus maybe like 5 or 6 points. I'll be lucky. Dude, I'll be lucky to get break even, but I would hope that they would want to. Nah, they don't want to do that. They don't care about that.
Look at NQ for you,
We
bro.
don't care about your. We don't care about your structure.
Oh, hey, bro, man. Hey. Oh, man. You're not going to get out, are you?
They got the, they don't launch the
Oh, actually, let's look at the fib
get
chart.
out, man.
Let's look at the fib chart. Let's look at the
Yeah,
fibs, bro.
pull up the old fibs.
Okay, let's look at the fibs. Ah, bro. Ah, man.
They already broke out past the golden zone.
Yeah.
Or wait, they gotta. Oh shoot, no. And then the 23 is like the last hope, but I ain't gonna be able to
Yeah, survive that. Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully they I mean it does look double topish, but you got the EMAs about to start flattening out, so
Oh, what? Now they
what?
what's up with that? Now they
Now they what?
cash me out now? Ah. No! No way! No way!
What happened?
This thing better. Now you better go up.
What happened?
No way you close. They closed me out as it's starting to drop. Now you no. Now you got to go up. I don't care. You better go to 700. Damn it.
They finally closed the account as it was dropping?
They closed it out on a red candle. Yeah. Damn.
Just make sure that you got the regular starter account and then just contact support, bro. Because you supposed to have been out of that shit.
I know. Maybe they playing catch up. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, 1254. Close me out with a negative 1254.
Oh, okay. So they did hit you. Okay, so you was just yeah, all right. Yeah, oh yeah, you was copy trading your accounts. That's probably why that balance looked like that. Yeah. 1254. Ah,
Oh my
crap.
gosh. No, they better not drop this thing now. Look at ES. That is wicked.
It does look like it's what is it called? A pennant right here. It does look like it. Looks like they're using that trend right there. We'll see what happens. Because obviously they're buying it off that trend. Um,
Oh way. They better not drop this now. Now that I'm out. They better not. Now I'm just gonna watch. Let me get in this Apex free account. That trash. They better not. Y'all better not drop this now. Better not. That would just be that would hurt my feelings. See, I had an average of 601. No, now y'all want to stop buying? Now it's too high to buy? Uh, okay. See.
mm,
No freaking way. Y'all better bounce it at 17, 15.
oh yeah, let me look at my. Well, I will say this. Like I still haven't given up on footprint charts because maybe I'm missing it. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. But I will say that there is a lot of negative delta right here. There's a lot of trap bears right here. And it seems like they're not getting no follow through underneath 106. There's a lot of trap bears underneath 106 right now. They trying. They trying. They trying real hard. But maybe. hmm. Dude, that's crazy.
Y'all better hold this level. You better hold it. Oh, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I don't know how like the market is so good at doing that too. Like it literally reverses as soon as the account is liquidated, and then that's when it reverses. It's so good at doing that crap.
I better push this to 700 now. No way. Stop it. Stop it.
Where your target was at?
I just wanted break even, dude. Like 601.
So
And if they
one.
would have played around with it, I would have got it. I would have got out lower. If they start playing, I mean, not lower, a little bit higher, but you better buy this thing back up.
Yeah, Alfred says that they wanted him to lose as much as he can so he can close that max loss. So this happened to him when he was at his stop and immediately goes in his favor. Mm. Yeah, that's not hard to believe. These prop firms are now becoming ruthless.
613. Okay, so they dropped it down to 613. uh, yeah, pump it up, freaking jerks. Give me my break even.
Mm.
Well, that's it for me. I got clapped. This freaking thing. Trying to short these bulls. Because I missed the long down here.
The one thing that I'm gonna try to not do is allow this week to. Man, this was definitely a challenging week, man.
Carry into next week. Yeah.
This was a challenging week. We didn't. I mean, yeah, we understand that the market was going in one direction, but dude, these bulls didn't even get a. The bears didn't even get a pullback. There was barely pullbacks. All pullbacks were short-lived. Like, dude, that is crazy. The one week where I choose not to trade the Nasdaq, it does this crap, man. The one week I choose not to trade the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq is up like 200 and something points right now from its lows. I think what 223 was the low. Yeah, 224 or 424 was a low. It just made a 200-point move. So at 224, so it made a 221 move, basically a 220 move. One direction too. One direction, no pullbacks. Get clap, get clap.
Not regarded.
He said that was I was holding it back. Mm. I mean, there's obviously buyers here. I mean, shit. If anything, the buyers are definitely holding this area here on the Nasdaq, and they're holding it on the ES. Let's actually switch the charts, and I want to see if they're holding the same area. I want to see. Oh well, no, never mind. They're definitely not holding the same area. Actually, let me do this first. Let me actually go back to the ES, clear this off, and actually line the charts up a little bit because they're not even lined up.
Here it is. Here it comes. Here comes the drop. That's ruthless right there. That's absolutely madness.
It hit your break even.
No, but I can if they it's about if they about to pull it back into that demand. That's so messed up. Oh my gosh.
Mm.
That is so messed up. Yeah. 605. Let's see if they bounce it at 605 like you. Yeah, they could. Could. Dang, that sucks though.
Yeah, let's see what
Like
they
they
do
could
here at
stop it at
605.
I think it's gonna go to at least 90 or 88, and then the buyers will step in. That's messed up because that's all I wanted in Q. This hurts. This hurts my heart. In Q, you broke my heart. Broke my heart.
Well, I guess they filled that gap on ES. Oh, not yet. Damn. Yeah, sorry about that, bro. There they go. Mm. I mean, if this is the way that the market is going to trade from now on, I guess we're just going to have to adapt to it, I guess. Whatever. Mm. Yeah, I do expect, honestly, I probably might scale in right here. 5 extra contracts right here at like 199. Actually, let me get that ready. Scaling with 5 extra contracts. Well, they definitely sold that trend line. And it's, dude, it's so interesting to see this too, because they created this trend line right here. They created this trend line going up. The bears did this methodically. They broke through that trend line and they used it as resistance. Isn't that interesting? They used that trend line as resistance and they knocked it down. And now they're going to probably start using the 50 and the 21 EMA now to short. Yeah, I agree, gain weight, I guess. I still hate y'all bulls though. I hate the way that y'all walk, the way that y'all talk, the way that y'all hit that buy button when price is super high instead of selling. Ow. If I come for y'all bulls, I'm gonna be direct. All right. Yeah, well, yeah, I guess, man. Dude, you gotta get out of that, man. You gotta get out of that habit. Like, dude, you saw that this morning. I mean, I guess I thought they would have did better than that. I thought they would have did better. I guess not. All right, let's see if they use the EMAs now to try to short this. See if we get like a red candle here. If the bears don't defend this, we're going to see a stop run. If the bears don't defend this area right here, we're going to see this candle. And then we're going higher if they don't defend. Ugh. Right where that little, yeah. Dude, these indicators are, they are accurate. I don't know why I fight against them sometimes, but this is exactly what the bears need to sell right here at the bottom of that trend line. That's exactly where they need to defend. Wow, look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Yo, these indicators, okay. That's so it's okay. That's interesting. That's exactly where the bears need to act had to come in. Exactly right there at that trend channel, at that trend line right there. Huh. That's interesting. I don't think they're going to be successful, but just the fact that this is where the bears are coming in at to try to defend their positions, like exactly where that indicator's at and exactly where this trend channel is, that's interesting. But I don't think they're going to be successful though. Nah, I'm not buying that damn thing. Honestly, I thought it would have been something different. You know, I'm just only trading it because it's a free account. I can gamble in that account. I mean, unless they said something about getting a payout from that account, then I ain't gonna take it serious. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and beta test something for you. Ain't gonna pay it out. They had a seminar that I registered for that I low key wanted to watch to see what they was talking about, but I missed it. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, so Jack, I'm taking that you're short right now. Yeah, dude, man, we should have been short a long time ago, but apparently the market is trying to get somewhere. Apparently, it's trying to because it's the bulls are being so stubborn. They're not letting this pull back. We're not seeing regular price action. On a normal day, we would have got a pullback on ES for sure. I mean, as an ES trader, we all know this, but for whatever reason, the ES and the Nasdaq is trying to get somewhere before. If we got CPI next week, I wonder if that's why we're seeing such aggressiveness for the big money to get out where they want to get out at. And then next week, we'll see all the total opposite, probably next week. Maybe, who knows? December. Yeah, because I mean, we got non-farm productivity for Q3, some more labor news coming out next week. You got CPI on Wednesday. You got PPI on Thursday, which honestly, after CPI, that doesn't matter. Um, yes, I mean, I think yeah, CPI is the only big news for next week. That's all we got. The CFTC data will tell us what's going to happen next week. It's going to tell us. Let's actually look at that. Let's look to see. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Oh shit! I stopped taking. Oh shit! I didn't take down our data this week. Let's actually look at the website. Let's actually go to the CFTC data now and actually look at what they have for this week, because apparently I didn't look at it. I don't know why. Or maybe I did. I just didn't put it down. So yeah, I didn't look at it last week for whatever reason. November 26th. Yeah, I got to update this. I didn't get it last. I really fell off this week. I don't know what the hell happened. I apologize, everybody. I really fell off. I was not keeping up with this data. And if this thing, I definitely fell off. Ah, shit. Ah, damn. Okay. I apologize, everybody. That's my fault. I apologize. That's my fault. I'm sitting there fighting this shit. It's my bad. I apologize. I apologize, man. The one week I didn't freaking look at it, it would have explained all this freaking bullishness and I would have been a bull. Can't believe I did that stupid shit, man. Like, what the fuck, bro? Well, can't believe I did that shit, man. Of course. Of course. They're super bullish this week. Ugh. Oh, man. They were super bullish this week and I didn't look at it. Okay. So yeah, this week there was 58% long this week and only 42% short. All right, man. I can't believe I did that stupid shit, man. So careless. Careless, man. I was careless. Careless. 7, 6, 8, 6. Well, at least the commercials are taking some of their positions off. Commercials are taking some of their positions off right here. So, but the institutions did. Look how many contracts they added to their longs. They only added about, what is that? 6, 8, 8,000 contracts short, just about. And 19,000 contracts long. I mean, shit, they've been net long for the longest. Hmm. Yeah. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Look at them selling at this indicator that coincidentally is right here at this trend line. All right, I'm gonna start looking at this now and look at them using the EMAs to sell this thing. And I have to remember that when I'm trying to short a bullish market, that I have to wait for the EMAs to flatten out first. You gotta wait until they flatten out first, and then the bears can use the EMAs to do that.
All right. Did y'all see what happened?
Oh, it hit your what happened? Hold on, why the hell is the
Okay.
Nasdaq up like this and the ES? Like, yo, the ES sucks, yo. God damn, the ES sucks. But what happened, bro?
It went below break. I could have got out in some profits.
Did it
It
really?
hit 5 points. Yeah, it hit like 93,
Damn, bro.
94.
Damn.
All they had to do was wait for price to drop. That's okay though. It's not okay, but you have to go to Apex website for that access to that crap, or is it something else?
No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Nah, you got to use that link that they used in the email, and you use the username and password that they provide.
Guess they ain't sent that to me yet.
I think I sent it to you.
Send
Yeah,
me
that's what you
something
got.
else. Time is running out. What?
I
You.
hate y'all bulls, man. I hate y'all bulls. I hate y'all. I finally say fine and go short and go long, and now y'all want to short. I hate y'all bulls. I hate y'all.
Oh man, that's crazy. It's like a
Dude,
40-point push up from that bottom.
that's crazy.
The system just had to wait a few more seconds and I would have been in the clear and I could have got my look at it go. Is this the real drop now?
Probably not. It's probably a pullback. To be completely honest.
It just ran a bunch of stops. Oh my
Mm-hmm.
gosh. Ah, no. No, if I would have shorted, I should have waited till 600. I would have survived that. I waited till 600. I would have been scaling up. Jumped the
So
gun. I thought they were gonna front run 600 at first, and then go back and smack it. Do what they did. It's crazy.
yeah. Okay. That's just me, I guess. Yeah, that's but
What were you gonna say?
no. Uh, I was just speaking out loud. I was saying to myself, like, yeah, it's crazy how all of a sudden now where the Bulls at? Where y'all regards at? Where y'all at?
Right.
I say fine, finally go long, finally, and now the market wants to go short. You can't make this crap up, man. Uh, now it wants to go down. Mm. He says that 30% max drawdown. Yeah, U Profit has that same thing, like that 1.5%. That's why the only so as long as they renew my 150K accounts at the original price that I bought it for, That's the only account that I will ever have with UProfit. And I'm going in knowing that I may not get paid out, and I'm just using that account to trade Bitcoin. That's the only reason why I'm keeping that 150K account with UProfit. But I've canceled all my other accounts with them. I mean, they enjoy the fact because now they no longer have to pay those accounts out. I mean, not to pay those accounts, but sell those accounts for $50. They can sell it for however much they're selling it for. And I think they did that on purpose because they know that they can just cancel out the accounts at the original price and only a few people is going to care. And that's going to lessen the amount of people that get it at that price. And then you got to contact support to make sure you get the account or you still have the account active. And a lot of people ain't going to do that. I was going to cancel the accounts, but once they did that, I had to contact them off principle. Like, I'll be canceling accounts. But yeah. It just seems like now these prop firms are now banding together now instead of competing with each other. And now they're going after the consumer.
This is it. This is what I was waiting on. Oh my gosh. I had to wait till 10, 5.
Man, this shit better buy it back up, man. They better buy this thing back up. They better buy it up. They better buy it at the bottom of the strength channel. You know what, man? I hate y'all bulls, man. I hate y'all. I hate y'all bulls, man. Oh my God, bro. I hate y'all bulls, man. God, what kind of shit was that, dude? So we got him. We finally got him. He bought high. We finally got him. As he was shorting the top like he's supposed to, and it kept going up higher. He finally long the top, and now is going like, dude, I hate y'all, man. No fucking way, dude. No way. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Uh, dude, I like, dude, I really wouldn't know if they don't hold this. If they don't hold this, then I got nowhere to go. No, I would have to stop out of this. They filled that gap on the ES though. They definitely filled that gap. Mm, okay. All right. I will learn this. I will keep all this stuff in mind. Before the short, you got to wait until the EMAs flatten out first and then use the EMAs as resistance to sell this thing down. Mm. All right. So right where my break even is 102, my break even, they might actually try to reject this thing down again. All right. So 95, 95.50, give it like a point underneath that low. I'm not going to give it too much. Mm. Damn, bro. Did they hit your target? And it bounced right at that range perfectly. They bounced it right at this range perfectly, dude. That's so crazy. They perfectly bounced at this range. I mean, it's not crazy, obviously. I mean, you got this area right here. Um, and they bounced that shit perfectly. Mm. Oh, did you? Yo, congratulations on that, man. Dude, really? Oh, okay, dude. All right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, these prop firms are now banding together. If they increase the prices, then uh yeah, if they increase the prices, then shit, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Where did they announce that at Alfred? Is it like in their Discord or something? Nah, I'm not upset gain weight. It's just like it's like, man, I finally I said fine, whatever. I gotta buy the tops now instead of shorting them. And as soon as I do that crap, now the market wants to be like, oh yeah, so we're gonna short now. Like, really? Discord? Yeah, that's yeah. We should say something. I'm gonna say something, man. I think we all should be like, nah. Oh, shit. My bad, Mohammed. Hey, yo, if I don't know if Mohammed's still in the audience. Next time, just yeah, just because I'm not looking at the Discord at all. I'm not looking at it.
Dang, that was my short opportunity. That's the move I was looking for right there to get to like 580. She extended down a little bit.
Mm. So I'm
There
looking at
you
it, Mohammed. You said 609 because I was looking at for 609, 6010, like you said, and that's why I was targeting this area up here. But if you want to still get on the mic, Mohammed, just say it in the chat first, because I don't look at the Discord, or just say it to Smith. Like, I don't really look at the Discord. I mean, if you want to get on mic, just say. We'll let you on. But where is this thing at? That just sucks, yo. I mean, that sucks. Raising the prices, like,
what happened? Oh, MFF.
yeah, that sucks, man. Yeah, that sucks. Notice board. Well, I guess in their mind they're looking at it well. Uh, but the good traders are taking advantage of this. Is man, all right, man. Oh shit, I hit daily. Did I hit daily loss? Oh yeah, I think I hit daily loss on it. Okay. Or I hit the drawdown on this, unless it stopped me out. Yeah, I got liquidated. Okay. Man, all right.
Wish Take Profit would do like a how them other firms be doing with the daily loss limit, and they let you
Mm.
come back, give you a second opportunity. That would be nice. But yeah, as soon as you hit that, you lose the account.
Oh, okay. All right, never mind. Okay, so the starter plan, that's cool. Okay, that's fine. Oh, never mind. So they're getting rid of okay, so let's put this on the stream. Well, I mean, these prop firms, like they're playing a real dangerous game because they're getting expensive, and Dude, I don't know where this is coming from. I really don't. It doesn't make business sense.
We had a secret meeting and they got with Patak over at Top Step.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Let me see something. Give me a second.
Work harder, down 200, but I gotta work harder now. Trade longer. I hit daily loss limit. Yeah. I should have known better. I was just mad I missed the initial like positioning, and that shouldn't even played a factor though. I knew better. Because I think I was looking when I was looking up, pulled up the charts. Yeah, price was all the way down here at like 4 something. So I could have literally caught that the New York session bottom and then just rode it up. But I'm like, I missed it. It's too price is it's going too far up right now. I'll just wait. I think I was looking, yeah. Maybe price was up here in the 520s. Still, regardless, I could have caught all of that whole move up. Yes, if you want to be, this was the start of the short, the slow grind. Slow grind short. They front ran 650. Front ran that thing. You know, everybody was expecting to hit 650. Back, tried to retest. Is this a support? I already saw this though. I'm like, dang. How long before they break it? Come down. And the real patient ones got this short. I don't know how many points is that? That was from 635, 35, all the way down. Yeah, 60 points short, 62 points.
Yeah, that's
Later
crazy.
day right there. By the pullback. Yeah.
All right, MFF. I mean, and everybody else that chooses to raise prices on your evals. I guess what they're thinking is we're cuck gamblers, and if they all band together and raise the prices, they'll have no choice. You'll just get no more purchases. I mean, all these prop firms. I mean, I get that. I mean, there's a way to make these things beneficial on both sides. All you got to do is cap the payouts. I mean, if you're telling traders that they can take 10, 20, 30,000 payouts across 5 accounts, I mean, of course that's what you're going to get. But if you cap the payout like they had on the Starter Plus plan, that's beneficial for everybody. Cheap prices. And the prop firm doesn't have to think about or worry about spending millions of dollars in payouts, but they figure like, yeah, let's increase the prices. And if they have no other where to go, I mean, of course they'll pay it. No, that's not how human psychology works. People will wait for a discount before they buy it at full price. You'll get some people to buy it at your new prices, but you won't get as much as you're used to, for sure. And they're just gonna have to find that one out the hard way. They'll be stubborn and keep the prices the way they are. They'll say they'll get used to it. Well, you'll just get used to low profit revenue then. And they know this, and yet they still do it. It's like, yeah, we just saw FTT fail by doing this. Hell, let's try it, see if we can get away with it. Okay. Because I know they're not seeing any. I know they're losing profits with the more expensive resets. I know they see that, and they say, yeah, let's just raise the prices and see if that one works. Like what? Like what? Yeah, whatever. Mm. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Mm. Yeah, that's like, dude, that's crazy, man. That's just absolute craziness. I might as well just jump into this. Might as well.
Liquidity, they ready to go to 650 now and higher. 700. Oh, they got front run 700 for sure. 650 got hella orders sitting at it.
Doesn't
675. Yeah, 650, 675, and 700 got orders of 100 plus contracts.
Oh shit. Hey. Okay. I didn't even know I was even in a position on this thing. I didn't know I was on a position. Uh so apparently with these new wealth charts, they tell you exactly where your account okay, let me it tells you where your account gets liquidated at. It tells you where you hit the 30% threshold, and it tells you where you're at. I didn't even know I was even in a position, actually. I didn't know that. I didn't see that. Let me actually close out of this. Mm. Yeah, I apologize about that, Mohammed. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. But gain weight, nah, man, y'all bulls have gotten so regarded. We don't get pullbacks. That's how regarded y'all guys have gotten so far. All of a sudden, this thing now wants to pull back. Like, where y'all shit? Where y'all been pulling back at? Y'all just been getting super regarded. Yeah, whatever, man. Well, I mean, if they raise the prices on these evals, we definitely gonna have to start waiting for confirmation because since the prop firms are now taking away its cheap gamble mentality away from these accounts, you definitely have to start trading these accounts more strategically. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. That's crazy. Talk about thank you for your integral part of the community. We're here for the cheap prices, bro. We're here for the cheap prices. So what's your plan now, Smith? How you plan on moving forward? If you're still there.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
I just gotta come back Monday and not be a fool. If I can, the market will set itself up. I may be in Sunday. See a potential good setup or a big move. Never underestimate the bulls on the Nasdaq. The bears, we know, get no respect, and their joy is short lived. We know this. It was like just that little pullback, that pullback short opportunity. It was short lived because it was bought right back up. Like I figured it was gonna happen.
This is actually a pullback right here. It's a break above and a pullback. And gain weight, I did not. No, I wasn't that long. If anything, I would have took it secretly short off stream, so I could say, yeah, baby. Because I wanted my shorts to work. Like secretly, I was like, fine, I'll go long because shit, all my shorts aren't working and making me look like a fool. So fine, I'll go long. Fine. Fine.
Secret short.
You know, us bears know, the real ones know. The secret shorts, baby. The ones we don't tell our friends about. Because it's like, well, why would you do that? Like, get friends like gain weight. What are you doing that? Just telling us their bullish thesis. Look at the 4-hour chart. Look how bullish it is. You short this? I had to keep my shorts a secret.
True.
Block all incoming messages from gain weight. Hey, y'all see that bullish signal? We're going to 900, baby. And I'm short at 5. I've been short since 500. He talk about 9. Bears will do that. Make sure that you hug your bearish friends because you do have friends right now. That's short on the Nasdaq, probably here at 424. All jokes aside, just hug your bear friends because we will stubbornly hold this shit until liquidation. I don't know why we're all wired the same, but that's exactly what we'll do. I don't know why. You probably got some bear short at 300, dude. Hold on. Come here, boo. Come on.
Lies were told. I guess we secretly deep down enjoy the clapping.
But yeah, definitely hug your bear friends because they hurting right now. Those bears are definitely hurting. because there are going to be some bears that's short down here at 300, still holding this thing until liquidation, hoping they'll come back. Oh yeah, Smith, were you on when I was showing the CFTC data?
I don't think so.
Bro,
What was it looking like?
man, the one freaking time I didn't look at it. I don't know why I fell off this week. I don't know how, because that's part of my Sunday routine is to look at the CFTC data and put it into my spreadsheet. Tell me why this week they were 70 or 58% long this week, bro. 58% long this week. And we was fighting this shit. I was like, what? No wonder why this thing just kept going up. They were 58% long, and they was only 42% short this week. And I fought this thing. And the one time I didn't look at the CFTC data, they pull that crap. Well, I mean, I guess it's my fault I didn't look, but man, I'm really good at self-sabotaging sometimes. Perfect almost. All right, let's see if they break through this little trend channel. Because I mean, they bought the bottom of the trend channel. We need to break out. They're gonna have to come back and find support above it, and then we can probably see these targets get hit. Yeah, we got a double bottom right here, so it shouldn't really go underneath this. So I'll give this like a point or something underneath this low. Price shouldn't come underneath this low right here. I didn't ignore you, Mohammed. When you fighting against a trend, it does take away all your attention. So, but I do.
Dang, that's true.
Hey, it's just me and the charts when you fighting against a trend, baby. That's it. But yeah, I mean, I do recall you saying that there was big numbers at 609 and 6010 at SPY. I did have SPY on this chart. I mean, I did have it, or I did. And I was looking for it to hit 609, like you said, but it didn't get there. It got to 608. So you were saying that they had big orders here at 609 and that they was going to hold this area because you said above it, or did you say like above like 610 the market maker would be in pain? I'm gonna go back and look at it. Let me go back. Because you said no 610 is where the market maker gets in pain. That means the SPY comes to 610 and they didn't close. Market maker will push ES down. Says no. You see what? Says okay. So they wanted to protect 610. You said if it doesn't, like if it gets to 610, they'll push it down, huh? All right, guys. That's it for me. I actually got to get to this meeting. I missed that meeting, whatever day that was, so I have to get into this one. But all right, guys. I think we go long. I think the market wants to at least retest this high because we got a failure from the bulls, or we got a failure from the bears here. If you're long, I would just point out that the bears failed on the ES. They failed to push it down, and now the bulls are buying, and now all the EMAs are hugging each other right here. That's going to be hard for the bears to push through. Now, if the bears can get a red candle right here on the ES, then you have a chance for it to keep going down and possibly testing 688. But yeah, that's the only hope. If we see a breakout and they find support, then yeah, we're going up higher. We're going up higher. Shit, Nasdaq. I mean, shit. I guess go short at your own. Yeah, because this thing, they're definitely going to probably buy this at 617 for sure. They're gonna, yeah, they're definitely going to buy this. They're definitely buying that. Yeah, because 617 has been support and resistance so far. They broke out above it. Yeah, they're definitely going to buy that right there. They're going to buy that. Unless we see a break below. But all right, I got to go. All right, guys. We'll come back Monday. I apologize for my performance, at least this week. Probably one of my worst weeks ever. But we'll come back next week and we'll do better. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
Yeah, all right.